Hi, welcome to IEHP's Community Resource Center. We are so excited to give you a tour today.
There's so much to do here. I can't wait to show you around.
Let's go take a look.
I love the fitness center here. The space is so open and inviting, and there's a ton of fitness classes to check out. And the best part, it's all free. My favorite classes are yoga, Zumba, and boxing. But they also offer Tai Chi, strength conditioning, and meditation. Or if you're looking to add some more fun, bring a friend or two and join the line dancing class and jump on that health horse. In addition to fitness classes, the Fitness Center conducts educational classes on a variety of health and wellness topics. You can find classes on nutrition, how to control diabetes, how to manage asthma symptoms, and how to manage stress. They even have classes that help you understand your healthcare benefits and keep you up to date on current government policies that can impact your health or well-being. So whether you're looking to work out your mind or body, the IEHP Resource Center has you covered. So come on out and get your body moving. I heard this chef is amazing.
I know, I'm so excited.
Me too. The coolest thing about the center is their food demonstration kitchen. This beautiful industrial-grade kitchen is used to conduct cooking exhibitions in a classroom setting with stadium seating. Professional chefs demonstrate how to cook their favorite dishes.
All right, class, y'all ready to rock and roll? Let's go.
Using healthy, locally available ingredients that are low cost, effective, and easy to find. In addition to cooking, they offer classes on nutrition and how to use food as medicine. Entertaining and educational, these classes are as lively as the delicious aromas emanating from the ovens and stovetops. Classes fill up fast, so be sure to secure your seat in advance, and I'll see you there.
I'm so excited about the computer lab.
I know, me too.
The computer lab is where I come to take care of business.
Not only can I access the internet and all the essential Microsoft Office programs to get my schoolwork done, but when I'm ready to hit the job market, I'll have access to a bunch of different employment services.
There's people here who will help me with my resume, job search, interview, and placement. And the best thing is, it won't cost me anything.
It's just one of the many resources that are available here. Anyone can walk in and get help with not only finding a job, but affordable housing, rent relief, paying for utilities, and even groceries. There are people here waiting to help you.
They also offer legal services for immigrants and their families, as well as youth mentorship programs for kids. Everyone needs a little help sometimes. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. So come on down to the Community Resource Center and find the help that you need.
Thank you all so much for joining us today at our IEHP Community Resource Center tour.
We hope you had as much fun as we did, and we hope to see you here soon.
Until then, stay active, eat well, and let's keep pursuing vibrant health together.